everybody, hola and welcome to another kasiloose video, and today we're going to open up a few of the B case, C case and D case that I think warrants a kasiloose treatment. Yes, it is. It's all in front of you, so let's start with new casting 2JZ, winner of the Hot Wheels Legends Tour 2019. Yep, it's from the B case, Hot Wheels Dream Garage. Let's kasiloose. Focus a little bit. Look at that. Wow, to have one's own car becoming a Hot Wheels car, that's the best feeling in the world. Yes, it is. 2JZ. Looking like a fighter pilot. The body is I think the body is metal, but it looks like the base is also melted metal. I'm not so sure about it, but that looks wonderful. And engineering wise, it's hard actually to do this kind of car. Yep. That's the 2JZ from the B case. Next, also from the B case, kasiloose. This is the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo in red. A new casting for 2020. Nice. This is the car from my childhood. Look at that. The tempo in the front there is not really that aligned. All red, and due to the redness, so the tail light's not really that popping up. Hopefully you can get more colors in this. See at the back there, this is a doctor's car. That's a stethoscope. Yep. Nice looking interior. Yeah, Porsche 944 Turbo 1989, also from the B case. How about we check this one for a kasiloose treatment? Yep. Turn it up a bit while I do the kasiloose. This is from the C case, rocking Santa Sled in gold and chrome. The blades is chrome. Looks like there's only the tires at the back there, but yeah, there is still tires down. And has special features. The Santa in front can move around, can wiggle left and right. Let's try it a bit. Focus a bit. Yeah, barely noticeable. Look at that. New casting also. Loving this. Only there's more color to the Santa with the prices there. Yep. Rocking Santa Sled. Nice. Let's. So next we have this one. '49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup in Moon Eyes decoration. Awesome! Look at that. The wheels and the moon eyes. Everything nice. Love the moon eyes. There you go. Front on the top there. Big moon logo. Moon eyes. Lighting on the back there. In yellow. Got a oil. Awesome. That's the Volkswagen Beetle pickup 1949. What else do we have? Maybe this one? Yeah. So this is from the B case. Let's kasiloose. A popular model among the collectors, which is the 2018 Honda Civic Type R in black and red base. Look at the base there, it's red. Fits perfectly. Wow. This is nice. Can be black there. Wow. This looks menacing. Yes, it is. Come on, bro. Let's race, bro. Yes, it is, bro. Awesome from the D case. Next, we're going for this car. This is from the B case. This is the D case. So this is from the B as in Bangkok. Custom 71 El Camino in gray and with flames, black silver flames. Oh, I love this casting. Quite some time we've seen this in the main line. Last one is in the satin and gold, I think. Now this definitely shows what definitely is a Hot Wheels car. A normal car and a big honking engine at the back there. Wow. This is nice. Look at that. Look at the color, the flames, the wheels, the engine. Now, definitely a Hot Wheels car. 71 El Camino Custom. It's from the B case. Love it. Yep. So I'm going to take this one. Are we there yet? From the B case. Are we there yet? A new model. Yes, it is. So this is from the B case. Look how cute it is. Yes, it is. Looks like it has 6 tires, 3 pairs of tires, right? But the middle one, yeah. I've been duped. Oh no, I've been duped. So to maintain the 4 parts in a car, the back one is a metal, plastic. So this is a different part. base and tires. So that's 4 parts. And due to that, there is no interior. Yep, as you can see there, there's a sort of like a bar there, a pillar. But this is cute, and I'm thinking there will be a recolor for this one. Yep. Are we there yet? And it's supposed to be well, actually. Yeah. Take a closer look on this one. Love camping, Chevy road tripping, Hot Wheels, and something I couldn't quite read. Something diner. Are we there yet? Yep. Nice. Awesome. So next we're going for this one. This is from the C case, which is let's take it back a little bit. Yeah. This is the Chrysler Pacifica debuting in 2019 with the race team. Didn't much like the color or decoration there, but this one is nice in red. Yep, the Pacifica. There you go, Pacifica. We have good range off-road racing, number 8. Definitely nothing on the headlights there. Big tires at the back there, spare tires. Nice, actually. It is nice. And not sure if you can see this. There's a little, how should I say it? There's a little car inside in the interior. Not very quite good on the lighting there, but yeah. There's a small car in the interior. Storage. Stored in the Pacifica. Loving these colors. Yes, it is. Yep. Oh, let's just take it. Kasiloose, which is this is from the C case. A new casting. Volvo 850 Estate. Oh, I love this one. Yes, it is. Look at that in white and blue. Volvo 14. Wow, 850. Due to the side decoration there, so definitely no headlights and tail lights. Because have the side and the top. But hey, you can see clearly the headlights there and the popular logo. Nice. So this part here is part of the interior piece, which is blue. You can see inside. And see that it has only one rivet and a tab. There's no two rivet there. It's like a mini. This is nice. Hopefully going to see more of this Volvo 850 Estate. Awesome. Next we're going for this, which is from the D case. I'm so sorry. Oops. Sorry about it. Debuting in 2019, Aston Martin Vulcan, now in sort of like a pearl white with a red stripe. Previous color doesn't really make it pop, but this one is nice. Look at that. Aston Martin Vulcan. Wow. next we're going for, yep, this one. Just want to highlight with you, this is debuting from 2019, but if I'm not mistaken, it only says Alpine A110, but now it has the cup. So there's a difference in the text there. I'm really not sure if there's any changes to the casting itself due to the changes in the text. I haven't got the Alpine A110 from 2019, but hey, you guys can leave a comment on this. Any changes between Alpine A110 and Alpine A110 Cup? Loving this, got the headlights, always nice, and then the number 36. Not sure what the number represents for. Is that Alpine? Any difference? I have no idea really. Yep. Alpine A110 Cup. Next we go for this one from the day. Always everybody love this. Yes it is. Take back. This is the 2016 Bugatti Veyron, second color. Now in black with the side decoration maintained. Yep. Really wish they make the headlights there. The logo is visible but no headlights. Side decoration now in black, metal flake black. Awesome. The windows are quite tinted. Not we can see the interior, but I love this. I love this Bugatti Veyron from the D case. Yep. Going for this one. For the C case, this is definitely I choose because of the decoration there. Yep. Veyron 68 Chevy Nova in camo. Wow, love the color in this one. Love the decoration in this one. Doesn't have the headlights or tail light decoration decals, but this one, wow. Look at that. Awesome. Wow. Yes, crazy. Chevy Nova. Next is this one, also from the C case. Roger Dodger, which I think it's the best Roger Dodger decoration so far. Steampunk inspired decoration there. Heck, there's a steam on the side there, but wow. Not really a fan of the Roger Dodger, but this, as you can see there, steam on this side and punk on the other. Look at that. This is definitely a thumbs up for me. Smash that like button if you like this car, right? Holy. Oh my god, this is awesome. Let's give it another spin. More steampunk inspired? Yes please. So the last one. Oh, 2008 Lancer Evolution kasiloose. People are going gaga on this decoration and the car itself. Yes, it is. Look at that. Lancer Evo. Yep, doesn't need the headlights because the headlights is already plastic, so they can go crazy on the decoration there in the advance. Yokohama. Yep. Look at that. Wow. Let's take a closer look. So the base doesn't show what year it made. You can see one, yes, but I believe it's not a new casting, right? Definitely nothing changes to the original casting. Look at that, red base, black, nice, and fun. Wow. Come on, focus it up. Yes, it is. Yup. Loving this. Awesome. So we do it. There you go. Kasiloose on some of the models from B, C, and D case that I think deserve for the kasiloose treatment. So what do you guys think? Which of your favorites? Smash like. So if you haven't subscribe. Notification bell button, share if you like. Definitely, let's focus on a bit. Yeah. Don't forget, definitely, to keep on the videos recommended through YouTube. Talk to you later. See you soon. Bye.